Hi guys, this is Renu again from Bonito Designs. Today we are here at Mr. Akshay's flat. This is in Salarpudia Greenwich, that's in Bomnalli. So it's a 2 BHK flat, very well designed by Sunita. I'll take you around. Guys, this is A1802 of Deodar block, and here we have the foyer of Mr. Akshay's house. So we have a seater here with storage underneath, and we have a taller unit here with drawers and storage below that. And this is a very beautiful piece of stone cladding. To highlight this, we have lights in the rafters that's on top of this. The fall ceiling of this area is very pretty. It's just two peripherals and a little square, and it's got spotlights and cove lights to light up this place. It's very beautiful. And moving on to the living area, as we enter the living area, we have an entrance paneling here that's very nice. And attached to this we have the TV unit. As the bottom cabinet of the TV unit, we have 3 drawers, we have 1 open cabinet, and over to that side we have a pebble tray. So the top ledge of this TV unit is extended till above the pebble tray, and we have a back panel here to conceal the wires of the TV, and above that we have continued the panel, but at every interval of 6 inches we have given a groove that adds to the look of the paneling. And to highlight this paneling, we have some spotlights in the rafter that's on top of this. And as you see, the rafter and the spotlights, they continue here at the top of the entrance of the kitchen. So we have some spotlights here as well in the rafter. And on this side of the same rafter, we have a crockery unit. So this crockery unit has a counter, it has a bottom cabinet and the top. And as a part of the bottom cabinet, we have 3 drawers and we have 1 shelf. And here near the counter we have a glass shelf, so you can put in your crockery here. And to highlight this, we have a light coming in from the bottom of the top cabinet of the crockery unit. And in the top cabinet we again have frosted glass, so you can put in your crockery here as well. And the fall ceiling of this area is extremely beautiful. We have a single fall ceiling for the living area as well as the dining area. So I can see some nice curves, I can see some circles and some right angles. They look very nice. They have again cove lights and spotlights. They're very beautiful. And on this side of the living area, we have used a false wall. Like how we do the false ceiling, we have done a false wall over here that's done out of gypsum. So if you see this wall, you feel it's camouflaged with the wall, but that's actually gypsum. So there we have put in some spotlights as well. So if you put a picture or a painting over there, that's highlighted as well. So the whole concept of this living and dining area has come out very beautiful. As we enter this very beautiful, huge, humongous kitchen, we can only see the white and black currant that's used all over. It's a very soothing color actually. It's very nice to see, you know, it's very soothing to the eye. So here we have the microwave cabinet, and on top of that we have a top lift cabinet, and below that we have shelves. And over here we have a D tray, a bottle pull out, and we have cutlery unit, and we have shelves over there, tandem boxes, shelves, and dustbin and detergent holder over there. And coming to the top cabinets, we have shelves here, top lift cabinets here. This is the chimney space. We have shelves here as well, top lift cabinets here as well, and we have shelves on that side. So the top lift cabinets on both sides, we have frosted glass, and it looks very nice. It goes along with the white color that is used. And on top of that, what you see in the black currant color, that is the chimney patta that runs throughout the kitchen. So you don't see a loft in this kitchen, instead you see the chimney patta that looks kind of like another cabinet that goes on top of the overhead cabinet. It looks very neat and very concealed. And on this side we have the puja unit. So the puja unit is actually the behind of the crockery unit. So it's just a continuation of that. We have grooved the shutters over here in square shapes, and we have glasses over there that's grooved in rectangular shapes, and here we have drawers and storage as well for the puja unit. And inside the puja unit there are little spotlights to light up the idols of the god. So here is a little passage that leads us to the master bedroom and the guest bedroom. So here in this passage we have a storage unit that has 2 drawers and shelves underneath, and the skirting of this storage has been continued and curved out. So you could probably put some flower vase or some very beautiful artifact over here. And this is how we enter the guest bedroom, and this space is very simple, very spacious and very functional. So we have a wardrobe over here with dresser on the side. We have pasted the mirror on top of the shutter, so there is storage behind the mirror as well as underneath the mirror for the cosmetics and stuff. And you can see a very nice pattern of the light and dark laminate over here. We have loft that runs from end to end. So there is a lot of storage in this room. It's very nice. And here we have a queen size bed that has storage on both sides, and the headboard of this bed is very nice. So we have not really used the lighter laminate here to show the change in color. Instead it is just cut and edge bound, so you can actually see the wall here. So it's very nice. I really like this design. And on that side of the cot we have a side table with 2 drawers. So we've used both the light and the dark colored laminate just to make sure the theme is running around in this room. So as I said, it's very spacious and very nice staying in this room. And moving on, here is the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, and as you enter the master bedroom you see a big dresser with a very wide mirror. So I probably love the view of just entering the master bedroom. And so behind the mirror of the dresser we have storage, and underneath we have storage for cosmetics. And on this side of the dresser there is an openable shutter with storage inside. And on this side we have a slider wardrobe, a 3-door slider wardrobe. And as you see, the loft runs from end to end, and the bottom part of the loft here above the dresser we have put in 2 spotlights to light up this area. And on this side we have king size bed with storage on both sides, and also with side tables on both sides. I really like the headboard of this bed as well. So we've used the lighter shade laminate to make a pattern on the headboard that looks very nice. And on that side above the side table we have 3 ledges that are of L shape in the corner. So that again you could probably use for artifacts or some picture frames, something to display. That looks very nice. And the fall ceiling of this area we have a periphery with spotlights. We have some L's, we have some squares and their offsets with some L's again. So we have a lot of light here. We have a lot of cove lights and spotlights. So this area is well lit. It's very spacious, plus it's very functional. It's very nice. So guys, this was a very simple yet very beautifully designed house. I liked it a lot. I hope even you have. So do like, comment and share our videos, and subscribe if you have not yet done that. And as you know, we do come up with videos every week. So here are a few videos that I've recently shot. And do check out our products on squadro.in as well. They're pretty cool. I'll catch you next week. Bye bye.